Welcome to the Anvil Kitchen. My name is Chef Kabelo. We're making the sweet side of things today. We're making a spiced Belgian waffle using the Anvil Waffle Baker. Okay, to switch on the Belgian waffle maker, you first press the green button. That's where it gives you the click sound, then you know it's on. So to set and check the temperature, you press the set button and the timer button on. It gives you 180. That's the ideal temperature we want to start cooking. To adjust it, you adjust it using the up and down buttons. To set the time, we want 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So we press the positive sign as well as the timer on, and then we go up to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. To start, I've got my flour, I've got milk, vanilla essence, bit of cinnamon, bit of baking powder, little bit of some sugar, our melted butter. We've separated our egg yolks one side, egg whites and egg yolks one side. To start, I'm going to pour the egg whites into a clean stainless steel container, a clean whisk, and we're going to start whisking the egg whites until it becomes to a soft peak stage. Almost ready. Now look at that. That's what we want to achieve. A beautiful, soft, peak stage. Now, the next thing we will do, we will get our egg yolks inside here. We will then separate them a little bit, put a bit of some vanilla essence, put our melted butter. We will then take our flour that has been sifted to incorporate a bit of some air inside it. We will put 5, 10, 15, 20 ml of sugar. We will then put 5 ml of baking powder. We then put, for the spicy part of it, we then put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon inside. We're going to give it a good stir. It looks like a heavy mixture, but once we've incorporated our liquids, it will be a perfect batter. Now for our egg yolks, we're going to simply fold in our egg whites, rather. Fold it in nicely. Don't whisk it up, just fold it in so you have a nice fluffy, crispy and crunchy waffle. Now to make the waffle, put a bit of some spray and cook inside it. We have already put the spray and cook, and we're going to pour our batter in until it's completely covering our waffle machine. That's about it. And now we're going to close it off, gently close it off. And now we're going to set the time and then flip it over. So set the time and then flip it over and allow it to cook for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The reason why we flipped it over and turn it, so we allowed the batter to actually run down and ensures that it cooks evenly on either sides. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it's ready. And then we simply press stop, and then to open it up, we flip it back again, and voila! You have a spiced Belgian waffle. And we will plate our waffle while it's nice and hot with a bit of some honey, a bit of some blueberries, and then a bit of some ice cream onto it. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, spiced Belgian waffle with ice cream and blueberries. Fluffy, spicy, crispy, well cooked, good color, good waffle.